Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Today we will continue with this chapter of our civics Panch Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj. Sorry. Take out your social and political life on this book, page number 45. Come to page number 45. Now we will start reading from the second para. The Sarpanch, Panchayat President, notices people whispering and asks if anyone has anything to say. Saroj tries to provoke Suraj Mal to ask about Natwar and Birju, but he keeps quiet. Very nice. He is provoking others to ask, but he himself will not ask. Amir Chand is sitting in the Gram Sabha, keeping an eye on everyone, that influential person or that rich person who is having enough power and money in his hand. He was sitting there, keeping an eye on everyone. Then Saroj gets up and tries. So then Saroj gets up and says that Om Prakash's name should be in the BPL list. Others agree that he and his family are very poor. The Sarpanch asks how his name had been missed out. The teacher who did the survey of BPL families says Om Prakash's house was locked when I went there. He may have gone somewhere to look for work. The Sarpanch gives instructions that Om Prakash's family income be looked at, and if it is less than what has been decided by the government, his name should be included in the list. So it's not like that all of a sudden the name will be included within this list of BPL. There are some ways of thinking whether the name should be there or not. That means the ways are there to decide whether the name will be there in the BPL list or not. But everybody was astonished that Om Prakash's name is not there. Instead, the person who is buying new colored TV or who is having this motorcycle, how their names is present in this one. That means in this BPL list, how their names are present. Okay, the Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. Underline this one. The Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. It is the place where all plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. So everybody comes to know that what plans are there, or what new plans are introduced for the improvement of the condition of the village or the condition of the people, that means the people who are living in the gram or better to say in the village, that what sort of improvement will be there in their way of living. The Gram Sabha prevents the Panchayat from doing wrong things like misusing money for or favoring certain people. It plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representatives and in making them responsible to the persons who elect them. So this is also the work of Gram Sabha, that it prevents this Panchayat from misusing the power or favoring the people whom this who are just directly connected with this Panchayat, or directly connected or having some sort of influence on the members of this Gram Sabha, of the Panchayat. So these are the works of this Gram Sabha we have come to know. Then come to this Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat meets regularly, and one of its main tasks is to implement development programs for all villages that come under it. Underline this part. As you have seen, the work of the Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. So who approves the work of the Gram Panchayat? The answer will be Gram Sabha. In this way, you will study children. Then it will be quite easy for you to remember everything and also to attend this exam or appear for the exam if it is that like this your PT1 or term 1 exam, that means multiple choice questions. In some states, Gram Sabhas form committees like construction and development committees. These committees include some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat. So this committee, it includes the members from the Gram Sabha as well as from the Gram Panchayat who work together to carry out specific tasks. So the later part, that means let's see what the Hardash Gram Panchayat was able to do. This one we will read in again in one of our videos, or sorry, in one of our offline classes or in one of our live classes. But before completing, let me read this part. Two village punches from Maharashtra who were awarded the Nirmal Gram Puraskar in 2005 for the excellent work done by them in the panchayat. You can see the pictures. These people, they have received the Nirmal Gram Puraskar in 2005 for their excellent performance in the panchayat. So children, with this we are completing our class here, and we will meet in another class. There we will carry on with the rest part of the chapter. Till then, sit at home and study properly and follow the e-portal. Bye.